Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a glacier blue metallic paint finish and is the custom Trail Boss trim. It includes features such as our 2-inch factory lift, Z71 off-road package, our Chev Safety Assist with our Lane Keep Assist with departure warning, as well as forward collision alert. We have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a backup camera with adaptive and hitch guidelines, a power tailgate, as well as much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks. Below we have our power mirrors as well as power windows, some storage as well as our speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel we have our trailer mode, transfer case settings, as well as our exterior lighting and our electronic parking brake. Power driver seat finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have our digital information system, which is controlled just on the right-hand side. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings and our forward collision alert. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system. If we go into audio and click on more, we can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Also have our phone connection, a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, trailer lights, OnStar, and our backup camera with our adaptive and hitch guidelines. Below we have our home, seek, volume, and hands-free controls. Then we have our climate control. We have our fan control on the left and temperature on the right, AC, front and rear defrost, push to start ignition below to the left, Lane Keep Assist with departure warning, auto stop start, power tailgate, our hazard lights, traction control, and downhill assist are below. USB-C, USB, a 12 volt and a 120 volt plug for charging in the front of the vehicle. Then we have our center console, center seat combo. So we have storage, 2 cup holders, some more storage up top in a leather finish. You can see our key in our storage up top. We have our locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, and alarm system. In the center, we have a liftable center console with some more deep storage. To fold the seat up, we can simply push on the front and can lock it into place. Unlock is right down the side. In the bottom of the seat, we also have our storage, and it was finished in our black cloth. Passenger seat is also our black cloth finish. Lastly, above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar settings, our dome lighting on our door open, as well as dome lighting on or off. And then our dome lights on either side that can be turned on with the press of a button. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. On the hood of our vehicle, we can see we have our Z71 badging. Moving to our front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap and our all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have black capped mirrors as well as our black door handles. Back of the vehicle, we have our Trail Boss badging as well as our corner bumper steps. All the way around to the back, we can see our custom badging, as well as our Silverado badging and our dual chrome exhaust tips. Have our power tailgate with a single press button. In the bed of the truck, in bed lighting, we have a 120 volt plug, as well as our cable tie downs in the front and the back, and a blue finish to our bed. Moving into the back of the vehicle, see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat, 2 vents in the bottom of our third folding front seat. Moving to our seats in the second row, we have a 60/40 fold-up split finished in our jet black cloth. To fold up our seats, we simply have to press on the front, and we can see we can make some additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.